stop. That, literally, that, look, that touched my take profit. Touched it. Urgh. I want. Hi everyone, what's going on? My name is Jeremy Palmer. Welcome to another episode with the Buy and Destroyer 7.0. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the normal BD strategy. Now, when I launched my website a couple of weeks ago, I launched a brand new service, which was basically this one-on-one webinar. Basically, your hour with me going over your individual trading requirements. Now, when it comes to teaching, the easiest way to teach people is to find your strengths and weaknesses. Everybody has it. Every trader has their own strengths and their own weaknesses, whether that's money management, price action, candlestick patterns, discipline, patience, whatever it is. If I can find out what your strengths and weaknesses are, I can then create you a trading plan or training plan on how to improve those strengths and minimize those weaknesses. Okay, and the easiest way to do that is to actually have a one-on-one webinar with yourself going over your trading requirements. Now, this is really good. This is really popular. I've been fully booked for the last few weeks. You get to book your own time, your own date, and then you send me an email, you tell me a bit about your background, and then we have a 1 hour session just kind of going over what you want to learn. Now, with doing those webinars, a lot of people have asked for the BD strategy, the AND strategy, the Mogwai, the pullback, the bends, okay? When we have the binary destroyer, we have 5 built-in strategies. As you can see here, I've currently got the Mogwai strategy loaded up. We've got the pullback, the bends, the ANDs, and the BD. And today we're going to be going over the BD strategy. Now, I have to change a couple of different features as well, different settings. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video now, load up the BD strategy, and then we're going to simulate some live trading, or as close as live trading as you can get, and we'll go over some entry points. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back. So yeah, I've loaded up my BD strategy, as you can see here, BD strategy, and now we're going to do some simulating on this. It'll probably take about 5 trades, go over the good and bad ones. Let me just make myself smaller. Now, this simulator that I'm using is very good. Okay, it allows me to pause and rewind and kind of take trades as if it was a live market condition. Now, there's going to be a lot of gurus out there that tell me it's not a true market result, and yes and no. Okay, I can factor in spreads. To say it's got a built-in spread, it allows me to take trades, my lot sizes. So this is about as close as you will get to live trading. But the good advantage to this is you can speed up a lot of time. I can do a week's worth of trading in less than like 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm just going to press play here. You can see here I've already took a number of trades as well. Before I made this video, I was kind of just getting used to this strategy as well, going over in every single kind of strategy, kind of fine-tuning it. Like I said, I trade all of the strategies. In fact, I'm not going to take that trade just there. That's not a good trade. That is a trade that's against the trend. So we don't take trades when it's like that. So what I'm looking for is just basic BD rules, Mogwai or BD arrow outside the zone, preferably with the trend, the MACD gone over bought or sold, and that's pretty much it. Okay, very simple strategy. Obviously, I do say with everyone to check the higher time frames. I'm not going to check the higher time frames now in this video. I'm just going to go over the rules and when to enter a trade. So when the bands are facing sideways like that, it's great. When the bands are facing up, it tells me it's an uptrend. When bands are facing down, guess what? I might get a signal there. No, I'm not going to get a signal. It's going to tell me the opposite. So something like this is against the trend, right? You can see here, bands are facing down. TCA lines come outside the zone. So this is the trade I'm not going to take. But I thought I was going to get a diversion signal. I am going to get a diversion signal. That's a... See how we're starting to get diversion signal? All those trades are against the trend, so I'm not going to take that. We're in a massive downtrend at the minute. Massive downtrend. On the 5-minute time frame, by the way, so in and out scalping. Like I said, we're not going to go through a lot amount of pips. I'm just basically just going to show you the kind of basics to this strategy here. So for some reason, I just haven't got any setups a minute. Let me pause the video and I'll find you some setups. Right, so I finally got some setup. I noticed I was trading, look, if you actually look at the time, I was actually trading the Asian session and not a lot happens in the Asian session, okay? So we're just kind of, London Open's just opened up. I think MT4 works maybe 1 or 2 hours behind. So I believe we're just going into that London session now. So this is London Open and I've just popped a signal here, right? Now this is the difference. Look at this signal. We've got a BD arrow just inside that zone, just kind of in that kind of buy zone there, which is great. MACD's gone overbought. We're just about to cross over here, and also a nice little resistance area, nice little support area, shall I say, just here. See that? Okay, first confirmation. We're at support. MACD's gone oversold. We've got a BD arrow. We take this trade. How do I take this trade? Stop loss above the low. So in fact, I've actually got this preset at 12 pips. We'll go with 12 pips, okay, and we'll just take a trade. There we go, okay, and what I'll do is we can manually, as this trade goes up, hopefully it hits take profit. I don't actually know the result of this, okay, it does, so that's a nice winner. Okay, so we're rocking, that's our first trade is a winner. Let's try and find some more. Again, this is an uptrend, so we're not going to be taking that one. This is a strong uptrend. See that? Strong uptrend. Even though this trade wins, I'm not going to take that trade because that's still a strong uptrend. Again, what I'm looking for is a BD arrow outside the zone. So inside these zones here, again, I'm looking for the MACD to go overbought or sold. So pretty much that is it. I seem to have chosen the wrong currency pair to trade. So we're going into, I'm just looking at the time as well. Okay, this is obviously New York session. We're in a downtrend. Let me just speed it up a little bit more. That, pause it, that is a nice setup just there. Is the MACD gone overbought? Okay, it is great. I like that. Let me just zoom out. Right, okay, so we're good. Okay, let me just take it back to the actual setup. Okay, if you're patient, you get rewarded. That's the one thing we're going to learn in this video is we're not getting a lot of setups, but the setups we're going to get, they're going to be good ones. Okay, so this is slightly against the trend, but okay, I like this because the zones are not directly, they're not like this, like facing directly down. So this is great. TCA lines just come in. The arrow's inside the zone. MACD's gone overbought. We've just crossed over. We're going to enter this trade a little bit late because if we'd entered on the crossover, that MACD, it would have been around here somewhere, maybe there. So we're already going to be 5 pips late, but we'll go with, let's go with a stop loss of 8 pips. So 8 pip stop loss, 8 pip take profit. Let's buy the market here. Okay, hopefully this trade wins. Nice, it does win. It does win, that's great. I'm just going to zoom out like this. Okay, let's find another 3 more setup. There's another setup there. Let me just pause it here. Again, I like this setup. Now, this arrow, in fact, is just outside the zone. But what I do like about this is, let me take it back here, is as soon as that arrow appeared, look, we just crossed over. Let me see if there's a resistance area at the top. There is. There's a nice little resistance area at the top. So, again, another nice little trade. Okay, you can see here, it's not the best, but you can see here, nice little rejection, gone overbought on the MACD. We just crossed over. Notice how we just crossed over on this signal. So we're going to go with this is quite a big stop loss, in fact, 17 pip stop loss with this one. So 17 pip, again, 17 pip. We're going to sell the market. Hopefully this wins. Hopefully. I'm going to pause it there. I'm going to pause it. Let me see what the next candle is. I'm gonna close this trade off and break even now. I'm going to close that trade off. There we go. I didn't like that trade. Okay, we're starting to go sideways. Notice how we're stuck in a range. Okay, so I didn't particularly like that trade. I bet this trade wins anyway. No, there we go. There you go. There's a prime example. I've just missed another setup there. Arrgh! Look at that setup there. Literally, that would have been a nice little setup there. Look how we're outside the zone. We're inside the zone. Look at that. That's a really good setup there. So what we're on a third trade. We've got 2 more trades left to find. There, my friend, is another setup. Is that overbought on the MACD? No, so I'm not taking that one. Definitely not taking none of these. They're a little risky. That, don't like that one. Okay, nice. I'm not taking that one. That arrow appeared way too late on that one. Oh, here we go. We're in a downtrend now. So I'm not going to take that trade. There we go. As you can see, how did I guess? We're in a downtrend. You notice how I use the BD to tell me. You can see how I instantly filter out the trades just by basis of an uptrend and downtrend. Let me just zoom in here. That's a nice trade. Let me just take it back there. That is a nice trade. Okay, in fact, no, let's just ignore that trade. I'm not going to take that one because that'd be cheating, and I know that wins, so I can't say that one. Okay, here we go. Nice. Perfect. Are we at a resistance area? Yes. Okay, we've got a bit of rejection here. Okay, just here. Okay, in fact, I'm going to call this my last trade of the day because I'm just conscious of the time. It's 12 minutes. Not a lot of people watch my YouTube videos longer than 12 minutes, so I'm going to enter that one here. I'm going to enter at the close of that candle just here. So where's that arrow appear? Just there. Let's actually enter. There we go. So I'm going to go with a stop loss of, let's go with 60. Let's go with 17 pips. There you go. Stop loss there. Take profit there. What I'll do is I'll watch this trade. Hopefully it goes down and hits take profit. Or hope it does. Okay, no. What I'm conscious of. Here we go. We might actually get stopped out here. So we might actually have our first loss. There we do. So we're on our first loss. There was no, MACD hadn't crossed over. Okay, we crossed, no. Don't like that. Against the trend. Nice. Okay, it's an uptrend. Oh, do we come down? Come on. Come down right now and give me an arrow. Please give me an arrow. Yes, just there. I'm actually going to be cheeky. I'm actually going to enter this one here, just as we crossed over. See this? This is a great setup. Look at that nice little resistance there at the top. Look at that. Beautiful. So again, I like this trade. We're going to go with maybe, needs to be a bigger stop loss on this one. Should we go 25 pip stop loss, 25 pip take profit? I'm going to sell the market just there. Okay, what's interesting is I actually predicted this move. Look, when the arrow appears, I'm already in profit, which is really, really good now. Okay, hopefully we come down. Hopefully we come down. No, we're going to go higher. Okay, we come down. That's great. Okay, we got our second rejection. Do we go down? Come on, come on, come on, come on. I want to see price literally melt. Don't go up. Go down. There we go. So we're coming down here. I'm going to... There. Stop. That. Literally. That. Look. 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 That touched my take profit. Touched it. Urgh. I'm going to close that trade off there. That is frustrating. So yes, I'm going to show you my results. As you can see here, history. So okay, this is my trading history. As you can see, I've took a lot of trades. I did a lot of trades before I did this video as well. So loss, win, 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 loss, win, loss, loss, win, win, win. So we've got a win, 2 wins, 3 wins, 4 wins, 5 wins, 6 wins, 7 wins, 8 wins, 9 wins, 9 wins, and 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 loss, 5 losses. 5 losses, 9 wins. There you go. A nice 2.4% gain on my account. This trade here is really, really, really annoying me because it literally kissed my take profit. You can't do a lot about that. It is what it is. You know, that's trading for you. Okay, sometimes you have an awesome day, sometimes a bad day. But yeah, overall, good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll probably do another video this week going over a different strategy, maybe BD, maybe Mogwire, and Ben's, whatever. Hope you have an awesome trading session or trading week, and I'll see you on the next episode with the Binary Destroyer. Thank you for watching.